project development series. So in this video, we'll be talking about the user profile updating part. So let's begin. So y'all can see that I have arrived to my sign-in page. So by giving my email and password, now I will sign in. Okay, so y'all can see that I have been welcomed over here with my first name in my header. So using this drop down, I will move on to my profile page. Okay, so this is the design of my profile page. So we talked about this page or the design of this page in my previous video. So in this video, we'll be talking about how to update profile settings. So let's begin. So y'all can see that there are some text fields that we can update and there are some we cannot. So likewise, the password, email, and the registered date cannot be updated or changed. So, but the rest can be. You can also see that the gender we gave to sign up cannot be also changed. Okay, so let's begin to examine this process. So, let's begin by changing my first name to Vinudhi and my mobile to 88. And y'all can see that there are some extra text fields given over here. So the address line 1, 2, province, district, city, postal code are some things extra. So let's give some data for these also. So I'll give address line 1 as code and my line 2 as California. And I'll give my province, Western Province, district, Colombo, city, Colombo, and I'll give our postal code as 19987. Okay, so y'all can see that I have filled some data in these text fields. So there's another option that we can change. We can change our profile image. So let's update my profile without changing our profile image. Okay, so when I click this button, update my profile, I have got an alert asking, are you sure you don't want to update your profile image? So if I click OK, then my profile image won't update. So now I will update the profile image. So I'll give another profile image, sorry. Okay, so I added another profile image. So now I will update my profile. Okay, now my profile settings has been updated successfully. So let's see whether my data has been saved in my database. Okay, when we refresh. Okay, so y'all can see my email over here. My first name has been changed. My password, mobile, join date, so, and my gender ID all have been saved or updated. So in my user has address. Okay, so over here my email is available. So I have given my city ID, Colombo, ID, my line 1, line 2, and my postal code. So all these options or my data have been saved in my database. Okay, so let's move on to see the backend codes I have given for this process. So these are the codes I have given for my user profile.php file design. Okay, so we talked about this design in my previous video. So for each of these text fields or selector tags, I have given IDs. Okay, so in my previous video, we talked about the change image function. So in this video, we'll be talking about update my profile function. So let's move on to my JavaScript code to see what I have done in it. Yes, in my JavaScript codes, I have started a function as update profile, and I have taken my IDs and then I have assigned them to new variables. So over here, I have created a form as I'm sending these details through the post method, and then I have appended them to new values over here. Okay, so over here, I have added an if block to check whether I have added any profile image. So I have checked whether my file's length is equal to 0. So that means whether I have added a profile image or not. So if my profile image is empty, I should receive a confirmation as, are you sure you don't want to update your profile image? So if I click OK, I should receive another alert as you have not selected any image. So if I have added a profile image, then I should append that value to a new value as image. Okay, so next I have created a new AJAX request, and then over here I have checked whether my response text is equal to success. So if it's equals to success, then my window.location should reload. Okay, so I have sent these details in the post method to my update profile process.php file. So let's move on to see what I have done in that file. Okay, so these are the codes I have given in my update profile.php file. Okay, so firstly I have added a PHP script, and then I have started a session, and then I have given a require for my connection.php file. So over here I have given an if block as to check whether a user has been signed in now. So over here I have given an ESET to check whether $session_u is available. So if I have signed in, I have taken these values that I have appended in my JavaScript file, and then I have added new variables to them. Okay, so again I have given an if block as if ESET$files image. So if there is an image, I have created a new variable as $image to $files image. Then I have again created a new variable as $allowed image extensions, and for that I have assigned some arrays as image JPG, image JPEG, image PNG, image SVG plus XML, and then I have again created a variable as $file x equals to $image type. Okay, so then again I have added a if block to check whether I have added one of these arrays. So if one of these arrays are not available, then I should receive an echo as please select a valid image. So if I have added a valid image, my $new file extension or my new variable which I have added over here should change according to that image type. So over here I have added an if-else ladder to check the image type. So if my image type is equals to image JPG, my $new file extension should be equal to that specific image type. So over here I have given a variable as $file name. So this is the way my image should save. So if I have added an image, that image should upload to my VS Code too. So over here I have taken a result set as image RS, and I have assigned a database search to it as select all from profile image where user email is equals to $session_u email or user email. So then I have taken the num rows of it and assigned it to $image num. So then I have checked whether my $image num is equals to 1, and again I have given a database IUD or a database update. So over here my image should update likewise. Okay, so then I have given an else as a IUD insert into, and over here again I have given a database IUD, and over here I have added the way my address RS should work. And I have checked whether my address num is equals to 1. So for that, I have added again an update. So these are the ways my data should save in my database. So if all of this data has been successfully updated, I should receive an echo as success. So y'all can see I have given an else over here. So this else is for this if. So if I have not signed in, then I should receive an echo as please log in first. So these are the codes for my user profile update part. So I hope you all understood what I explained. So thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it.